Okay guys, so these two coins have raised a lot of confusion on the internet lately, and in this video I'm going to clarify a lot of things about which of these two coins is legit and which of them is fake. As you can see, both of them are called Yescoin, but they have different logos. One of them is fake and one of them is legit for sure, but which of them is the fake one and which of them is the legit one? This is what is raising confusion, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're a little bit skeptical and you want to know which one is fake before you jump into it, and that is what you're going to be here getting to learn in this video, right? So if you're following their social media platform on Twitter, you're going to notice that this platform is actually calling this platform the fake one, while this one is calling this other airdrop the fake one. But none of them want to come out to own up to their fakeness, and that's why I'm making this video. So for me to be able to do this, I'm going to be using some criteria to point out which of them is fake. I'm going to be using the age, I'm going to be using the hype behind them, I'm going to be using their website if they have any, and I'm going to be using the features to compare, right? I'm comparing the features, the age, the hype, and the website of these two platforms, and by the end of the day you'll be in a better position to decide which of them is fake or which of them is real for you, whether the white yes coin is fake or the yellow yes coin is fake. So let's start with the age. To get the age, let's head over to Twitter. So as you can see, for the yellow yes coin, they joined Twitter on August 2022, which is about 2 years ago. That's when they joined Twitter, and they have been around for that amount of time, while the white yes coin have joined Twitter just about a month ago, which is April last month 2024. So this is something you need to also put into account when comparing the two to tell you which of them is the real one and the fake one. Both of them have the verified tick, but this one has Yescoin and this one has Yescoin Theta, right? But none of them have Yescoin alone as their username. So at this point, it is not clearly stated that any of them is fake, because this one and this other one both are not using just Yescoin as their legit username. So any of them can be fake. But without wasting time, let's jump to the next one that we're going to be using, which is the hype behind them. It is no longer news that the hype behind any airdrop is a clear indicator of the potential of that airdrop. So when I talk about hype, I'm talking about the buzz around it, the number of followers, the number of engagement around it. So as you can see, this yellow yes coin has over 1.3 million followers at the time of making this video, while the other yes coin has about 816,000 followers at the time of making this video as well. So that is another thing you can actually put into account. Apart from their followers on Twitter, they also have followers on Telegram. So I'm going to switch to Telegram to show you the followers for both of these platforms. So on Telegram, the white yes coin has over 1.6 million subscribers, as you can see right here, while the other coin, which is the yellow one, has over 2 million subscribers. Again, this coin has topped the other coin in terms of hype, right? Also, let's move on to the next thing after the hype, which is their official website. Now, sadly, both the coins don't have websites. The white yes coin and the yellow yes coin, they don't have official websites. What I would have done would have been to check when they bought their domain names, but both of them don't have websites. So everything is based on their social media presence, which is their Instagram, their Twitter, and the rest. But I'm not going to do that in order not to prolong this video, but you get the whole idea behind it. So now that we know that both of them don't have websites, we've checked the hype, we've checked the age. What about the features? So I'm going to be switching on to my mobile phone to do this, because apparently it doesn't really work on PC like that. So I'm going to try it though. Okay, it worked. So this is what the white yes coin looks like. In the white yes coin, you make money by tapping on the yes coin icon, and when you tap, your money is going to keep increasing. That is your yes coin is going to keep increasing. So this is how you make money from this one. You can also boost your tapping potential, your earning potential, by increasing the amount of money you make, right? So now that you've done that, let me show you the other one, which is the yellow Yescoin. So I'm going to switch to the yellow Yescoin. I'm also going to click on play, click on OK, and it's going to load up as well. Okay, so as you can see, they say swipe the screen to collect coins, get surprise chest too. So this yellow Yescoin is different from the Ton coin and the Not coin and the other Yescoin, the white Yescoin. This one, basically you have to actually swipe on your screen, invite your friends and upgrade to get your earning potential increased, right? So that is basically how to go about it. So I have already joined. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description of this video for you to join either of the Yescoin, the one you think is legit. But here is my own verdict. After checking these things, checking their age, the hype, the website and the features, this one looks more legit than this one, because this one looks like it's copying what every other person is doing. This one is a little bit more unique, coupled with the fact that the age is older, the hype behind it is more, and the rest. But personally, because of the fear of missing out, I personally mine both of these coins. Okay, I mine both the white Yescoin and the red and the yellow Yescoin, and I would advise you to do the same as well. Don't worry about time, because I know it takes time to tap and it takes time to upgrade. I have a method that will allow you to do these things simultaneously. Even when you're not there, it's going to be doing for you, it's going to be mining for you. So that's why you need to stick around and watch other videos that's going to be coming up on this YouTube channel. So what is my verdict between the two? Whether this is fake or this is fake, it doesn't really matter. You're not spending a dime to have access to both of this. The only thing that raised a little bit of suspicion is the fact that you have to connect your wallets to the platforms, right? You have to connect your wallets. So what is my advice? Create an individual wallet for both the white Yescoin and the yellow Yescoin. Do not connect either of these two Yescoins to your wallet that has your funds in them, because whenever there are airdrops like this, a lot of scammers create clones to use it to gain access to your fund and clear out your account. And that is something that happened to me that made me to stop airdrop for a long time, until someone I look up to in the crypto space advised me on this same thing I'm advising you right now. Make sure that you create an individual wallet. Now for this wallet, we have the Ton Keeper. The Ton Keeper, you can create a limited amount of wallets. All you have to do is make sure that you store your recovery phrases in a safe place, right? So create a separate wallet for this and for this and for any other airdrop that I'm going to be sharing on this channel. Once you have that, I'm going to show you my wallet in another video, what it looks like and how I arrange all the airdrops that I'm currently chasing, and how I made separate wallets for each and every one of them. And that is the best approach. That way, if any of them is not legit, they are not going to have access to your hard-earned airdrops that you've been accumulating over time, because some of these people are freeloaders, and what they want to do is actually take away all you've worked for that you are storing on your wallet. And if that happens to you, it's very painful, because it has happened to me. So I'm talking from experience, right, guys? So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two Yescoins. Which of them do you think is legit, the white Yescoin or the yellow Yescoin? Based on what I've listed out, the age, the hype, the website and the features, which of them do you think is legit? For me, like I said, I think this is legit and this is fake. But regardless, I'm gonna be mining both of them, because I don't want to miss out on anything. I missed out on a lot of airdrops because of my skepticism in the past, and now I want to recover. So let me know in the comment section, guys. Also, if you found value in this video, do well to give me a thumbs up. That's an encouragement. Also, share this video to a loved one. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Bye bye.